Welcome to the SpreadX weekly financial market preview, and we're going to look ahead at Whitbread, Q1 results coming out on Wednesday.
Yeah, but it's interesting. It's the first quarter results. The results themselves aren't really what's going to matter on Wednesday. What's going to matter is continue to talk about Costa Coffee and the demerger of Costa Coffee from Whitbread itself. I think that was confirmed back in April. I think the company weren't necessarily ready to announce that then, but they felt their hand had sort of been forced by a few activist investors taking significant stakes in the company. They sort of felt that they had to get ahead of the news itself and announce it themselves. They did say that the demerger wouldn't take place until something like 2020 due to the, it takes a while to separate something as big as Costa Coffee from the company itself. However, interestingly, since then, there's also been reports that Costa Coffee, or indeed Premier Inn, which is obviously Whitbread's other big business, could actually be sold off instead. Now, so the spokesperson for Whitbread did say that they are still looking to deliver the demerger. However, there is sort of a lack of clarity around that at the moment, which I think investors are going to be looking to be cleared up on Wednesday. I think all the headlines coming out of the results on Wednesday will be about Costa Coffee and what exactly Whitbread are intending to do with the chain, be it demerger or sale. In terms of the figures themselves, I think Costa Coffee is expected to see a 2.3% decline in like-for-like sales, which isn't great. I think the argument being that if you spun Costa Coffee off, the strategy for a Premier Inn type business and a strategy for Costa Coffee are two very different things. And if both were separated, they could both do better under more specified guidance. So I think investors won't be too concerned with the decline in like-for-like sales. Obviously, a lot of that is related to the struggles of the UK high street and things like that. So it's not necessarily Costa Coffee itself doing poorly, but rather just reflective of the UK high street and its sort of ongoing woes. In terms of what our clients are doing, Costa Coffee's, Whitbread's sort of fallen towards £40 recently. Our clients have been buying around that mark, I think, again, on the basis of the Costa Coffee spin-off and any sort of payout and share boost related to that. Yeah. But again, like I said, it's all going to be dependent on just how much clarity Whitbread provides on Wednesday.
Yeah. Okay, thank you very much.